In the spotlight today, we have the ACEMAGICIAN T8 Plus, a mini PC that packs a punch. Equipped with the latest 12th generation Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, this compact marvel boosts CPU performance by up to 30%. Perfect for homework, office tasks, or a multimedia feast. Offering dual gigabit Ethernet, this mini computer opens up a world of possibilities. With support for Windows 11 Pro 64-bit Linux operating system, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a 512GB SSD, it's a multitasking powerhouse designed for efficiency seekers. Energy efficient, with a power consumption of just 15 W and a notebook heat dissipation solution, it offers a quiet and comfortable environment, ideal for your workspace, business office, or home leisure. Experience visual grandeur with its 4K triple-screen display capability, and with 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, you can enjoy high-definition image quality while working or relaxing. The T8 Plus also features IEEE 802.11a/b/g/n/ac2, 4/5G dual-band WLAN BT4, 2, and VESA wall mount compatibility. Say goodbye to a cluttered workspace and hello to a tidy all-in-one machine. The ACEMAGICIAN T8 Plus, small but mighty.